Hello, it's Family Driver. Welcome to another video. Today I will be testing two products on my car. One which I tested previously, which is Rain-X, and another one which is GLACO SOFT99. Both products are excellent. I heard from my friend that GLACO is absolutely amazing and it lasts up to a year, so it will be very interesting comparison between SOFT99 and Rain-X, which from my experience last more about 2 to 3 months. So I separated my windscreen into two sections. Each of the products will be applied to one of the sections. Also, the products will be applied on each side of the car. So the driver's side will be covered in SOFT99, and all the side windows and mirror will also get this treatment. The passenger side will be treated with Rain-X. So over the next couple of months I'm going to record a number of videos which will show how the products actually working and how they wearing off with time. So this should be really good comparison. So without further ado, let's jump into the application and then into comparison. First, I clean all the glass with Auto Clean Fast Glass. Then wipe it off and make sure it's clean. Then I use hard clay bar on all the glass. You have to make sure you use some kind of lubricant. You can use either soapy water or a car shampoo. A final wipe down with a fast glass before we can get to application. Let's start with the GLACO. And yes, of course, I read all of that. Application of GLACO is extremely simple. So you basically push it to the glass and the pads get wet and you just move across in a circular movement, making sure you completely cover the whole area. Once the product hazed, then you can start to wipe it off. It wasn't difficult, however in some areas I had to use quite a bit of force to wipe it off completely. Next, let's move on to Rain-X. Luckily, this one is a bit easier to read. You have to use your own microfiber to apply the product. I found the application very easy and quicker than GLACO. Same as with GLACO, you have to wait about 10 minutes for the product to dry and haze before you can start wiping it off. Wiping off was easier than with GLACO. And it's done. Now to the fun part, testing. So it has been 24 hours since the application, and let's check out how they performed after a day. So this is the first test after 24 hours. I would say that GLACO on your left isn't as hydrophobic as Rain-X on the right. Look how quickly the water is escaping. Now let's test this side. So this side was Rain-X as well. Goes really nicely. Now let's check the GLACO. think it works really well on the side. For some reason, look at this. Look at the difference. So this is GLACO and this is Rain-X. It's almost dry. Very interesting. So I think in the short term, Rain-X works better than GLACO, but GLACO meant to last 12 months compared to about 2 months for the Rain-X. So we'll see how they will behave over time. So after 24 hours, for me, Rain-X has the edge. The water escapes much quicker, so it will be really interesting to see how they perform over time. So thank you very much for watching, guys. Please remember to subscribe to my channel and give this video a like. So there will be another video coming after a couple of months just to show you how they performed over that period. So once again, thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video. Goodbye. Do widzenia.